Okay, so now we're going to start the chapter 3.2, the second portion of this chapter. So here we are basically going to use some new formulas which I've written over here: a plus b whole cube, a minus b whole cube, and few corollaries which are a cube plus b cube and a cube minus b cube. So these are the things which we'll be needing in this portion of the chapter. So here we are asked to find that if x minus y is equal to 8 and xy is equal to 5, what is the value of x cube minus y cube plus 8 into x plus y whole square? So basically we have to use the formulas of cube and squares, both are in this part of the chapter. So let's start. Okay, so let's see, x cube minus y cube plus 8x plus y whole square. Okay, so we know the corollary of x cube minus y cube. Here is given over here, a cube minus b cube is equal to, we'll use this and for x cube minus y cube. So we can write according to that, x minus y whole cube plus 3xy according to that, and x minus y. Okay, and this portion is for square, so we'll use, what can we use? X plus y whole square, the corollary, we must use the corollary over here, a plus b whole square, this thing. Okay. Okay, so it would be x minus y whole square plus 4ab. So why are we using the corollary over here? Because let's see, we are given x minus y. So here if we use that, we are doing the square of a minus b whole square. So x minus y whole square. So if we use this corollary instead of this formula, this will be convenient for us to find out the value of this expression. Okay, so now we know x minus y is equal to 8. Okay, so this 3 into xy is equal to 5, x minus y is equal to 8. This is multiplication, dot multiplication I'm doing, same thing. So x minus y is equal to 8 square, 8 into 8 square plus 4 into 5 into 5. Okay, so what would be 8 cube? Okay, 8 cube, but just keep it like this, 8 cube. This would be 5 into 8, which is 40, plus 48 to 3, 120, plus 8 into 64, 52, 64, plus 20. So if you do the calculation, if you just put this in your calculator, you'll get 1304. So basically this will be the answer for this problem, 1304. Okay. This is basically 8 into multiplication 64. You can just find the value using your calculator. Same thing. Okay.